Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about the concentration expression methods in solution. We have the two types of the concentration expression methods: qualitative methods and quantitative methods. Qualitatively, we can say the solution is diluted or concentrated. That one is not giving the exact amount of the solute dissolved in the solution. That's why we used another method, that is the quantitative methods. We have the two types of the quantitative methods. First one is the physical method, second one is the chemical method. We have the four types of the physical methods. One is the mass to value percentage, mass to mass percentage. Next one is value to value percentage. Last one is parts per million. Now we are going to discuss about the chemical methods. We have also four types of the chemical methods. In that one is first one is the molarity. These four types of the chemical methods are important for the calculation part. First one is the molarity, second one is the normality, third one is the molarity, fourth one is the mole fraction. Now we are going to discuss about the first two chemical method, that is the molarity. Molarity is nothing but number of moles of the solute dissolved in the 1 liter of the solution. Molarity is defined as number of moles of the solute present in the 1 liter of the solution is known as the molarity. Molarity is indicated with the letter capital M. Molarity is indicated with the letter capital M. The units of the molarity is moles per liter. The units of the molarity is moles per liter. Mathematically, molarity can be expressed as molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute by volume of the solution in liter. You know that number of moles of the solute is indicated with the letter N, volume of the solution is indicated with the V, then molarity capital M is equal small n into V in liter. But we know that number of moles is equal to weight of the solute by gram molecular weight of the solute, then molarity M is equal weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liter. If volume of the solution is taken in ml, then molarity is equal weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. If the molarity of the solution is known, we can also calculate the weight of the solution. Weight of the solution is equal molarity into gram molecular weight into V in ml by 1000. Listen students, molarity is nothing but number of moles of the solute present in the 1 liter of the solution. Units of the molarity is moles per liter. Molarity mathematically expressed as number of moles of the solute by volume of the solution in liter. We know that number of moles is indicated with the N, volume of the solution indicated with the V, then M is equal small n by V. But we know that number of moles is equal weight by gram molecular weight, then molarity is equal weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liter. If volume of the solution is taken in ml, molarity is equal weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. If we know the molarity of the solution, we can also calculate the number of weight of the solution. Weight is equal molarity into gram molecular weight into V in ml by 1000. We have so many different type of the formulas for the calculation of the molarity. For the dilution, dilution means a solution of the volume V1, molarity is M2. We can dilute that solution, value becomes V2, molarity becomes M2. Then we have the formula V1 M1 is equal V2 M2. We know the any three types of the parameters. We can also calculate the fourth one by using this formula. For the dilution, the amount of the water required for the dilution of a solution from the value V1 to V2, concentration M1 to M2, we have the formula volume of water required is equal higher concentration minus lower concentration by higher concentration minus lower concentration by lower concentration into volume of the solution. This formula is used for the volume of the water is required when a solution is diluted from the one concentration to the other concentration. When two solutions of the different type of the substances are reacted, then we have the another formula for the calculation of the molarity. V1 M1 by N1 is equal V2 M2 by N2. This formula is used to calculate the molarity of the solutions whenever two solutions of the different substances are reacting. Here N1 and N2 are the number of moles of the two substances in balanced chemical equation. When two solutions of the same solute are mixing, the resulting solution molarity is calculated by using the formula M is equal to V1 M1 plus V2 M2 by V1 plus V2. On mixing the two solutions of the two different concentrations of the same solute, we use the formula capital M is equal to V1 M1 plus V2 M2 by V1 plus V2. For the mixture of the acids and bases, we have the another formula for the calculation of the molarity. Capital M is equal to Va Ma minus Vb Mb by Va plus Mb. Here Va Ma are the volume and molarity of the acid. Vb Mb the volume and molarity of the bases. If Va Ma is greater than Vb Mb, first formula is used. If volume and molarity of the base is greater than the value of the acid and molarity, we can use the second formula, that is the Vb Mb minus Va Ma by Va plus Mb. Whenever the solute concentration, solute amount is given in the weight to weight percentage or weight to value percentage, we have another formula. In that condition, density of the solution is also given. Molarity is equal to X into D into 10 by gram molecular weight. Here X is the mass percentage, mass percentage or mass to value percentage of the solution. If D is the density of the solution, GMW is the gram molecular weight of the solution. If specific gravity mass percentage or mass to value percentage is given, we can also use the another formula X into specific gravity into 10 by gram molecular weight. This formula is used whenever the solute is given in mass percentage or mass to value percentage and density or specific gravity is given. In that condition, we can use this formula. If different type of the number of moles of the solute is dissolved in the solution, we call the different names for the solution. Molar solution means 1 mole of the solute is dissolved. Decamolar solution means 10 moles of the solute is dissolved. Semimolar solution means 0.5 mole is dissolved. Decimolar solution means 0.1 mole is dissolved. Centimolar solution means 0.01 m is dissolved. Millimolar solution means 0.001 m is moles dissolved in that solution. Different type of the number of moles dissolved in this solution, we can call the different names for the molarity solutions. First one is molar solution means 1 m, decamolar means 10 m, semimolar means 0.1 m, 0.5, decimolar means 0.1 m, centimolar means 0.01 m, millimolar solution means 0.001 m. Okay, this is about the molarity of the solution. It is one of the important concentration expression method. These all formulas are used for the calculation. It is one of the important method. I will send you some problems on the molarity. Okay, this is about the molarity and different type of the formulas are used for the calculation of the molarity. Thank you, students.